Hey guys, today I'll show you how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. If you watched carefully, I sent a hi to this account and was blocked. Now to unblock yourself you will need to create a new Instagram account or use an existing account which you already have before. After that, kindly go and create a new group and add just the two account to the group chat. Also make sure to use the username of your account that was blocked as the group name. After sending a hi to the group, kindly switch back to your other account, go to your message request and approve it. Now you have successfully unblocked yourself and you can now send any message you want to the person that blocked you. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.